Hello and welcome. Google recently released Gemini AI, which is a competitor to ChatGPT, and let's see how to use it and see if there are any key differences. So first thing is that you need a Google account. So I logged into my Google account, and then if you go to bardgoogle.com, you'll see this interface which is very similar to OpenAI's ChatGPT. You can enter any prompt here. So let's say, create a R code for histogram with iris data. Iris data is easily available within R. So let's see what it generates. So very quickly we see it generates R codes with comments, includes any library that is needed. So very useful definitely. And it allows you to copy this code and you can paste this in RStudio and can get same results. One interesting thing I notice is that it gives you more output. And if you look at the top, it also gives you some other drafts like draft 2 that could be slightly different. Draft 3. The key thing is that it is trying to give you a lot of options. So basically Bard chatbot uses Gemini Pro to come out with these kind of results. These outputs you can also listen.
Histogram with iris data in R. Here's the R code for creating a histogram with the iris data. This code will create a histogram of the sepal.
So that I find interesting. Let's do a new chat. Create picture of a young girl with a cute puppy. It says I cannot create images yet, so I'm not able to help you with that. Unlike ChatGPT, which uses DALL-E and works fine with images, right now Bard that is using Gemini Pro doesn't have that kind of feature. Maybe I'm assuming that at some point definitely that will be added. It allows you to upload image. So I have added an image of a Cybertruck by Tesla. Let's see what it says. So it clearly identifies that this is Tesla's Cybertruck that was recently released in 2023.
The image shows a black Tesla Cybertruck driving down a desert road. It is a futuristic-looking electric truck with a sharp, angular design. The Cybertruck has a long bed for hauling cargo, and it sits high off the ground, giving it clearance for off-road driving. The image is well composed, and the Cybertruck is the clear focus of the shot. The desert road and the mountains in the background provide a nice contrast to the black truck.
Here again we see that it provides little bit more. So probably Google has gone with some extra output when getting the results. Let's see what it says for criticize the earlier picture.
Unfortunately, I don't have enough information to criticize the earlier picture. I need to see the image itself to provide any meaningful feedback. Please provide me with access to the image so I can analyze its composition, lighting, focus, editing, and other elements to offer you a constructive critique.
Although in the previous prompt we had this picture, but when we continue it's not recognizing that there was a picture. So let me upload again. So very detailed critique, let's say.
Here is a critique of the Tesla Cybertruck image. Composition. The composition of the image is good overall. The truck is centered in the frame, and the road and mountains in the background provide a nice sense of depth. However, I would have liked to see the truck framed a little more tightly. There is a lot of empty space in the foreground, which could be cropped out to make the truck the more dominant element in the shot.
It has several other drafts also. So let's see if we can get a more compact critique.
Sure, here is a 10-word critique of the image you sent. Tesla Cybertruck, too edgy for its own good? I think this critique accurately captures the main criticism of the Cybertruck, that it is too radical and unconventional in its design.
Okay, so this is more compact, but it also has several drafts. In second draft, it says it doesn't have enough information. So with this picture of a Cybertruck, I'm asking Bard, create a short poem in Hindi.
काला सांप सा मरुस्थल में दौड़ता टेस्ला साइबरट्रक एक दृश्य है निराला.
I hope you like it.
Now let's look at other drafts.
टेस्ला साइबरट्रक. देखो टेस्ला साइबरट्रक सड़क पर चलती है. एक अनोखा वाहन जो भविष्य से आया है.
So very interesting output. Which is better, ChatGPT or Gemini AI? Let's see.
Both ChatGPT and Gemini AI are powerful large language models, LLMs, with their own strengths and weaknesses. Choosing which one is better depends heavily on your specific needs and priorities. Here's a breakdown of their key differences to help you decide. Capabilities. ChatGPT excels at creative text formats like poems, code, scripts, musical pieces, etc., and is known for its fluency and engaging conversational style. Gemini AI, currently in development, but boasts superior performance in areas like planning, problem solving, and reasoning compared to ChatGPT. It utilizes techniques inspired by the AlphaGo AI, making it potentially more adept at complex tasks.
So in terms of weakness, ChatGPT limited access, lack of transparency. Gemini AI by Google not yet available, potential for unknown biases. So it gives a interesting output comparing the two leading players, and then you have like other drafts where the output is in slightly different format. One thing that is coming out very clearly is with Gemini AI we get a lot more output, and this idea about 3 drafts seems interesting, but it could be overwhelming for a user also. So let me try another image. I want it to keep description short, just in 20 words. So due to some reason it says, sorry, I cannot help with images of people yet. Let me try another one. So this is a very popular painting. Again, I'm trying describe in 20 words. So that is interesting because again that was a painting, not actually real people. So looks like Gemini AI within Bard may not be working with images where people are involved. So if I try this in ChatGPT, so describe in 20 words, let's see. A painting depicting 4 children playing with a toy boat on a sandy beach with waves and a cloudy sky. So ChatGPT is able to work fine. Let me try the other picture. So ChatGPT definitely works fine. So Gemini AI obviously is still under development, and within Bard it may have limited features. So that could be the reason for getting this kind of result. So let's see, write a tweet about my upcoming lecture on Gemini AI.
Join me for a fascinating lecture on Gemini AI. Date, Thursday, December 7th, 2023. Time, 12:17 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Location, Dartmouth, Massachusetts, United States. I'll be discussing the latest advancements in this cutting-edge technology and exploring its potential to revolutionize various industries. Join me for...
So definitely that's very interesting tweet. So certainly Gemini AI is a very powerful tool, and it is still in works and may not be fully functional within Bard yet. So definitely how it goes will be very, very interesting to see. Thanks for watching. See you soon.